Thanks for tuning in. I'm excited. Why? It's apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I wonder if that's going to be for this. This is going to be 99's apple. 99 proof, 49.5%. Got it. Nope, that's not it. That's it. In the single shot. Almost made it look flawless, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Green apples, baby. That's green apples, baby. Who don't like green apples? Oh, I do like the Granny Smiths. She can get it. Oh, Granny, you could get it. Oh, wait, hold on. No, you want to take a look at it first. Get an idea. I'll let you have it. Got it? Good. Here we go. Green apples. It also smells like Jolly Ranchers. I'll take that. I'll take the Jolly Ranchers. A little boozy. It's got a little funk to it, but I'll take it. I like it. Let's do it. It's like I took a bite out of a green apple and then washed it down with vodka. Spicy. My tongue is a little on fire. I like this one. This is good. This little guy, that's good on its own. That is nice. Now, should you drink it on its own? Nah. You're not a savage like your boy. Put it in a cocktail. Mix it with a little Red Bull. I think this is fantastic flavor profile for anything that you're trying to enhance with a little apple. I also would probably put this in baking too, like put it in like cream cheesecake, certain types of like cake. If you soak it, this would work great with this. So it's got some versatility. It's a fantastic find. I think you should try it. Don't just because it looks like the label looks a little generic. I'm telling you, taste wise, it's good. Definitely put it. This next time you get yourself a little get together and you got yourself a little something like a pitcher, pour a little bit of that in there, and I think you're gonna have yourself a good time. So this right here is pretty good. I highly recommend it. Cheers.